Well. Hello there, everybody. This is your boy Discord Champion, and it has sure as hell been a while. I disappeared for a good 5 months, but we are back, and today I am showing off the new external security bot that I've been coding for the last couple of days. For the last couple of fucking 5 months, actually, it's been. All right. So the stuff this bot does. Let me get a full list here. Give me a second. Let me pull it up. Uh, yeah, I don't even have it listed anymore, but we'll go into the commands here. We have a ban command, which it bans pretty much from every single Discord you implement into the guilds tab. And then the kick command kicks from every single guild that you have in the guilds tab. The Maskneck changes somebody's username in every single one of your servers that you have listed. And then unban just unbans them from every single server. Then for the member commands, you can change your nickname using .nick. And then staff commands mute and unmute. And today we're going to be going over them all. And we're going to be doing a full setup here. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to want to pull up one of these. Yes. And you're going to want to create yourself a bot. I already have a bot enabled. I already have a bot. It's test bot number 2 for videos. We're going to go in the bot, reset the token here, and copy the token. And then you're going to want to scroll down. Normally, all of these intents will be disabled, but you can pull up, do it there, enable all the intents that is required for this to work again. It is required. And that's pretty much everything you need to do on this tab. So then you go over here, you go into the config.json. The license key isn't required right now, so that will be deleted from the actual config. So you enter the token. So yeah, enter the token at first. And then we have our guilds tab. So for example, I'm going to put my playground and the Discord champion server. So you would want to paste. Okay, so let me pull up my Discord. You want to come up over here. Let me turn off stream mode too. You want to come up over here, go to advanced on Discord, turn on developer mode, make sure that's checked, and then right click on your guild. You want to copy your ID, paste it here, and then you want to hit your right arrow on your keyboard, type a comma, and then hit your quotation marks button. Copy the second guild ID and paste it there. And whatever you want your main server ID to be, you want to paste it in between those parentheses right there. For example, like that. And then for the logo, let me just find the logo real quick. What shall we use? I think this is good right here. Yeah, we'll use that. Logo, the link for your community right there. We'll use my security red logo. And then your developer's ID. This is pretty much self-explanatory. You can put as many people as you want here. So you put as many people as around here, but they do the same things for the guilds. So for developers, I'm just gonna paste my Discord ID there, and I'm gonna show you what it does. When there's an error encountered with the bot. So that's your first set of your config enabled. So then you want to go down to your bot status. Go down to your bot status. You probably want to set a status that's up to you, really. For example, my status is going to be subscribe to Discord Champion on YouTube. And then for your license key, you can just leave that blank. I'm going to put it as a dot. For your prefix, this is what you want your prefix to be. I'm going to put mine to the minus symbol. So, yeah. And then the Coventry, it's basically the same thing as mute. So pretty much it's for the 5M community. If someone's doing something bad, they call it Coventry here. But yeah, that's what it's referred to as a bot. So Coventry/muted role. We'll pull up our thing here. Go over to the playground. I gotta make sure I have a muted role in here too, so it works correctly. Take that. All right. And you're gonna want to make sure your bot is above all roles here, so it can give, take away, ban correctly, all that kind of stuff. And put that down. And I believe it is case sensitive, but I haven't really tested if it was case sensitive. So Coventry role name, you're gonna want to put muted in there. Coventry category, you did the same thing you did for the thing, and you keep your permissions there. I'm gonna make it to where only muted can see this, just for reasons. And then you're gonna want to right click on your category ID, and then we're gonna copy the ID there, and then we're gonna paste it there. And then Coventry message, we're gonna go in and put subscribe to Discord on YouTube. And then for your colors, for example, I'm gonna pull up hex color. It's gonna be a hex color, so we can pull up to the hex color code, find a color you want. I'm gonna go with this blue here. Copy that color code, and then go back here. Standard, we're gonna put it as that, and then for success, you probably want it as green, and then for fail, you probably want it as red. Server logo, that would be your server logo for the community. You put that. Error success logo, we're all gonna keep that the same because it really doesn't matter. Then now we have the permissions. We have the permissions for the roles. So what I'd like to do is I like to create an external separate role, external security permissions. Bring that there, and now you have copied the role ID. Copy the role ID. Put your quotation marks there in the array. For example, this is also it's also all listed on the tabs here. So, and you just post it all in the unmute ban system, everything there. Now this last part is important. You're gonna want to get your MongoDB thing. So we're gonna pull up my Google Chrome real quick. And I forgot how exactly to do this because it is pretty much a clusterfuck. Alright, just create a new cluster. I don't want to. Alright. Alright, for example, I'll just create a new account on Mongo for you guys. Educator. Verify my email. Okay. Then you're gonna pull up here. What is your goal today? Build a new application. What type of application are you building? This doesn't really matter. You can just put it as other. Tell it what you're building. External security bot. What's your preferred language? I am going to put Utter here. I'm gonna put Utter there. We're gonna want the free one, so you only get one of these. But you can use them infinitely if you want to host multiple bots, all that kind of stuff. Cluster name testing for video. Okay, there we go. We can create the cluster now. Username and password. Create a database user by using the username and password. So I'm just gonna put mine admin and then admin. So now, I believe what you want to do is you want to come over here to the database testing for videos. You want to go to connect here. All right, how you guys doing? This is Discord Champion of the Future here today. Well, not today. This is while I was in this video. This is around like 2 hours later since I was recording this. I messed up in the recording. You're supposed to go connect to your application here. Copy this, insert your password. In the video, I connected with the Mongoose shell and I did something stupid, so I'm just gonna cut that part out, and I'll show you the end result here when you try to start it. Video. And I believe it was in uppercase admin. And now, if not, it was a lowercase. CD. There we go. Connect to the database. There you go. There's the fix for it right there. Yeah, like I said, I fucked up in the video. And I hope you guys that helps in the future. So don't follow what I did. I'm actually gonna cut out the whole Mongoose step to when I tried to copy and paste it, and then we're gonna be fine there. Thank you. Have a great day. So now your configuration is fully set up. Yeah, it's a long configuration process, but it's a lot harder to explain all that kind of stuff. I'm actually gonna put my prefix back as dot since that's what I'm used to. Save that up, and then go back into my file explorer. So when that's done, you're going to want to go over to node.js.org, and then once you're here, you're going to want to go to downloads, previous releases. Then I believe it is 16.4.2. 64-bit. 86. Oh, I forgot. This is installed on my C drive, and I need to find what fucking version I have installed of Node.js real quick. Nope. So later than 7.7.2. 7.9.0 is probably it. Nope. Before that, 780. Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna remove Node.js here. Take rid of that. Take that, get my 64-bit version here, get that done. So this will be done in the description too. And we're gonna wait for this to install, so. Okay, it has finished installing. So then this next step is pretty is how you start the bot. Actually, it's important, and it's how you start the bot. So you go here, so you see this option on top of your file explorer here. You double click on that, control A it, control C it. If it's on your D drive, like mine's on my D drive right now. So yeah, you're gonna go CD D. Actually, you're gonna just gonna do D, and then do that. No dots and so there we go. No dot. There we are, finally connected to the database. Now, when you should see your bot has gone online, subscribe to Discord Champion on YouTube. Do that. Okay, so my alt is in here, and the first thing we're going to be testing out is we're going to be going up from the mute command up. So, do this. So, mute, if you don't want to ping them and you just want to copy the Discord ID, you do, I forget what this is called, but it's like an arrow going into the right, and then do that, and it will mention the user no matter where you are, and if they don't have access to the channel and stuff like that. And then you do testing mute thing. So, oh, ew, yeah, I don't have external security permissions. That isn't good. There we are. Okay. Sluggy has been muted. Welcome to CoMG. Subscribe to Discord Champion on YouTube. And it gives him the muted role here, and I believe it does give him the muted role here as well. Yes. There we are. So we set that up correctly. Alright, give me a second. Alright. Then now, to unmute him, you do the same thing. Unmute. Sluggy. Done testing. I muted member higher row. Damn. That sucks. Okay. There we go. Alright. He has been unmuted. So now we're gonna test the mass nick command. This is for nicknaming someone else. So nickname them subscribe or else. There you go, subscribe or else. And now in both of the guilds we have them in, it goes to subscribe or else. And then to revert it, you just do it the same there. So then that's mass nicking somebody, doing all that. And then let me log on to my alt here so I can show you what the nick command does. There's a difference between the two. There is a difference between the two. Mass nicking is for nicking somebody else, nicknaming someone else. And nicknaming is for nicknaming yourself. So nick dot, so we'll do it subscribe or else v2, I'm doing it myself. Oh, okay. Nick. SOEV2. Then we go here, SOEV2. So that is good there. And now, that's pretty much good. That's the mass nick commands. And now we're on to the kick, ban, and unban commands. So for doing this, let's just go in the muted channel here. So for the .kick command, I'm still unsure if you can't. Yeah, you have to mention them. That will be fixed in the later time being. Kick, SOEV2 for being way too cool. There you go. And now he has been kicked from both of the servers we put into our guild. So let's go up in here to the audit logs. Kick Sluggy with reason. Whatever that is. I think it's my Discord ID. And actually it's his Discord ID because we mentioned him doing the other shit. and then it kicks them there. So now, I know for the .ban command, you do not need to mention them, so you just drop their Discord ID and get them with a reason. Do this. Oh. And then .ban, it bans them there, tells you who it's banned by and the reason. Then you go into here to the second thing, and it will ban them here, ban them for a reason. Unban. There we go. Alright. So unbanned him. Last thing I want to show you is that error thing. So we're gonna go in here and disable. So yeah, it doesn't let you error it, and I have something I have to go do now. So that's the showcase of the new external security bot. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't leave a like and subscribed yet,